We are speaking about increased productivity and efficiency in plant maintenance. Welcome to the inventors of laser precision shaft alignment, Proof Technique alignment systems. Alignment with a twist. This is an innovation in laser optical measurement technology. The technology is called sweep mode. This continuous sweep measurement mode makes the alignment of shafts simpler, more efficient, and precise. Welcome to Optalign Smart, our high-tech measurement system with Sweep Inside. Optalign Smart automatically takes measurements as shafts are rotated. It collects and computes data continuously. A shaft rotation of 60 degrees captures a large number of measurement points. Measurement can start in any position and the shaft can be rotated in any direction. Optalign Smart features fast and rigid mounting of the transducer and reflector on the shafts using the pre-assembled brackets, which are designed for quick and stable mounting and setup. The transducer has a resolution of 1 micron and uses our patented single laser technology, UniBeam, for quick adjustment. After setup, switch Optalign Smart on and adjust the laser beam. Let Optalign Smart work for you. Using Bluetooth technology, wireless data transmission takes place between the measurement sensor and the computer. After entering machine dimensions, measurement can begin. Simply rotate shafts to take the measurement. Start at any position and rotate in any operating direction. During rotation, a large number of measurement points are taken automatically. A rotation of 60 degrees is enough for Optalign Smart to determine the precise alignment condition. The results are displayed instantly. The smiley and LEDs indicate the alignment condition. During live move, Optalign Smart continuously measures the corrections and displays the monitored changes live on the screen. When alignment condition is within tolerance, a happy smiley appears. Retighten the feet bolts and the machines are ready to go. Optalign Smart is a high-tech measurement system from Proof Technique. Rely on it for higher accuracy through continuous sweep mode, convenience during alignment with Bluetooth technology, instant computation of the alignment condition, quick alignment through live move, reliability when working under extreme conditions. All this pays off for you. #1 in laser precision alignment, leading in performance, quality, and design.